Hey guys, Gaming Duck here for another video. Today we're gonna be playing Zombie Rush. I already played this but my recording's crashed, so I'm gonna have to do it all over again. Alright, sorry about that. My recording crashed twice, but we get a shotgun. I'm level 5. I'm playing this. I just started playing this, you know what I mean? Right, let's get into the first game you see of me. I'm just trying to adjust my recording. Alright, we good. So first person mode, what we're doing, so it's like so much easier to shoot. So I don't have a mouse. It's pretty hard, you know what I mean? Come on. We're getting into the game in 3 seconds. Back in the game. Alright, crap. Look at this. It's breaking. Alright. Throw on the one which has the least. I don't even know. Guess we're going to castle. On a different account though. So it's more fun if we just start from the start. You know what I mean? Get into this. Ooh, shotgun. What? 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 Oh my god, are you serious? Oh my god. I guess I'll be back when the game is on. Oh wait, I think we're actually zombie. Pretty cool. Um, that lasted a very, very long time, didn't it? Come on, wait, can I go again? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. He keeps shooting me. Live. Oh, nice. Finally. Uh, zoom out. Sorry guys, I don't have a mouse. It's really annoying to turn. Um, like what the hell? It's broken. Oh jeez! Oh, go away! Please. Oh, how do I escape? How do I escape alive? Oh, Jesus! Cracked Tbh. Whoa! Oh, Jesus Christ! Sorry about the keyboard so far, but it's looking to be good now. Oh, go away! Oh, Jesus! What the hell? Can they jump from trees? What? Oh, well, I'm gonna have, oh, jeez. Behind you, bro. What's he doing with a wrench? Did I get a kill with a wrench? Wait, bro. No. Wait, bro. Ha! Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, Jesus. Go. Oh, oh. Thanks, bros. You love how he's just going for me. Imagine being inside the castle. Okay, well, I say that when I just walk in. I'm cracked. Cracked, boys. Yeet. Oh! Yoink, boys. Oh, go. Me camping here. Oh, crap, 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 crap. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Wait. 34 kills left. Oh, this is so dark. Oh, headshot, boy. Oh, you see the right of me, bro. What's that for, bro? Nah, come here, mate. Come here, mate. Come here. Yeah, that's what I thought, bro. Oh, chill, bro. Yeah, fam. This is so easy, bro. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, you don't have glutes, do you? Oh, oh, you just have to go near them, you know? Oh, yes. Let's go. Oh, my God. When you yoink those kills just to get those XP, bro. Oh, Jesus. Bro, I'm helping, bro. Nice. Well, this epic teamwork right here. I'm just hitting them for him. You help, bro? Help with that diamond skeleton. Help him. Behind you. Behind you, bro. You're about to die. About to die, bro. Welcome, bro. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, there's so many zombies out here. Oh, hello, mate. Oh, Jesus. I can see you there, mate. What's the strongest zombie, even? Well, this is a long lasting game. Hold on. Let's go. Woo, cracked, bro. I'm cracked. I'm Jarvis. Oh, Jarvis, boys. Wait. Oh, yoink, bro. Nice. This kid's always using the wrench. Oi. Oh, you're over here, bro. Oh, Jesus Christ, not you. Oh, you. No, go. Oh, that was sick, bros. I'm literally cracked. Oh my, oh my, oh my God, it's a whole thing. Oh my God. Oh, go on. Jesus Christ. No. Wait, how do you get? How's that? No. No. Okay, nice. Like, get on top of a tree and then when they come, no, not this tree, this tree. Come here, bros. Me just getting in those assists. Me laying in those assists. Brutes can get up there. Yeah. Oh no, that's a gold. Oh, it's a brute. Look like a brute. I thought zombies can't get on. But apparently, Hey, actually. Oh my god, this kid. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, yeah. No, no, you can just go after him, you know? You can just go. Yeah, this kid being chased. Yeah, so mine out. Great. Come on, just die. Okay, this kid is dead. Yeah, nice. Come on. Oh, you're cracked, bro. Mate, I'm like Jarvis at this game. I think I've got some aimbot. Wait, how did people die? I'm literally too cracked. I'm cracked out of my brain. I thought he was gonna yoink there. That would have been very naughty of him. Yeah, how did I level up like so many? Yeah, hi mate. Oof, cracked. Okay, mate, you can get it. Silver. Sorry about that. Oh crap. Oh, silver kid. Oh Jesus, why are you bringing them all on me, bro? Okay, great, mate. You just made me die. Thanks, bro. Oh, oh, oof, oof, oh no. Oh my god, I escaped. Oh my god, I escaped, bro. I escaped. Uh, no, God. Oh my god, I escaped. I'm literally Jarvis. No, 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 I'm Jarvis. Oh, this kid's about to die. Wait, can I change my games during game? Change my gun, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna change my gun real quick. You know what? Quickly change my gun. Shoot. Crap, 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 bro. Crap. 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 No. It's not good. I died. Come on, bros. Love when they are. Let's go. Oh. Oh my god. AR, yeah, AR's cracked out of their brains, bros. Oh, crap. Crap. Cracked out of my brain. Cracked out of my brain. Cracked out of my brain. No, no. Oh, frick. Cracked out of my brain, bros. Oh, yeah, I'm cracked. I'm cracked. Oh, mate. Well done. Just getting those final little touches on them. Nice. They get, oh, Lee moly. Mate, I'm helping you, bro. Whenever and help. Mate, I'm literally spraying. Oh, crap. Mate. Oh, mate. Oh, jeez. Jeez. Help me, bro. Help me. Yeah, I'm gonna hide in this corner real quick. Like, real. Ah, nah, mate. We're getting right into this last minute of the video. Okay, oh, about to kill Brute. Yeet, bye. Oh crap, they brought it. Oh, may help me, someone? Oh, one tap, bros. Oh, I'm cracked. No, run. Thanks for watching. Peace.